Hello, I'm Mike Baker. I'm a sales engineer for Teledyne LeCroy, and I'm here at DesignCon 2025, and we're showing off a lot of our cool tools and innovations that we've had over the past couple of years, and one of those happens to be our PCI Express Fixture Characterization software and hardware, where we can characterize PCI Express fixtures. And the reason that is important is because in order for the PCI Express to be compliant, it has to go through a certain minimum amount of loss and meet bit error rate with that loss. And in that process, we go through different analyses of determining loss per inch, adapters and cable losses, and losses associated with the system cards, and that tends to be a very manual process traditionally, where we use this spreadsheet, in fact, provided by the PCIe SIG. What Teledyne LeCroy has done is we have implemented this technology into our Qualify software and Qualify 2 software, and we currently can now run this stuff in a very systematic, methodical way, providing graphical interface information that will tell you how to connect up your cables, what adapters to use, and gives you very detailed information, whereas the previous spreadsheets has text and is very cryptic in nature. Once you go through this, at the end result, you will have a proper configuration is then understood by pretty much the most experienced engineers or your least experienced engineers in a very simplified fashion, allowing us to minimize error and maximize productivity, and at the same time eliminating that rework that's typically associated with doing the calibrations and doing the actual compliance testing at the workshops, in the field, in your labs, or wherever you're doing this work. I personally go to the workshops myself and use the software. It has sped me up immensely. I'm usually finishing my calibrations way early compared to everybody else in the business. So, all the information associated with the Teledyne LeCroy products, such as these, can be found on our website at teledynelecroy.com. Feel free to go and get a web browser and click those links and come and visit us, and we'll give you a call and come help solve your problems. So thank you for listening.